Good afternoon and welcome back to another edition of Oh My God, What Did We Just See?
Watch this coming in on the side right here. Boom, and it shoots off. Did you see that? Rewind it one more time so we can see it, Big Hobbly. We didn't get to see it. Boom, and it shoots off. Holy Mary, Mother of God, look at that.
Well, that is called the HELLFIRE missile. Hellfire and brimstone missile. It's also called the Hellborn laser. That's what it was developed under. And they also call it the fire and forget missile, which means once they release it and it goes away and it strikes the target, you don't need to worry about it anymore because it will be obliterated. However, watch this clip right here. Did that look like that it was obliterated to you? No. And let me tell you something else. That unidentified phenomena, it kept flying. It kept flying. It should have been into little particles about this size. I don't know, maybe this size, possibly this size, or dust. Possibly even the size of dandruff that you might pull off your scalp. Oh my God. I've literally left a pile of dew on the floor right here because I have crapped myself. This is scary, terrifying. Now listen to this. Listen to this. A House hearing on unidentified aerial phenomena stunned lawmakers when video evidence showed a U.S. drone firing a Hellfire missile at an orb off the coast of Yemen, only for the object to remain intact and keep moving, raising urgent questions about technology beyond military capabilities. At a House Oversight Committee meeting on UFO transparency and whistleblower protection, Representative Eric Burleson from Missouri, he unveiled this video. The footage showed an MQ-9 drone tracking a UAP orb as another MK-9 launched a Hellfire missile. There are servers where there's a whole bank of these kinds of videos that Congress has not allowed us to see. Oh. Are you aware of anything in the U.S. arsenal that can split a Hellfire missile like this and do whatever blob thing it did and then keep going? They asked a few folks. Nucatelli and Wiggins testified that no U.S. technology is capable of surviving such a strike. Okay, that's a bad missile. That's a bad piece of hardware. And that kept on going. Anyway, terrifying. This story was on Fox News, so if you like to take a look at it or whatever, have a hobbly.